Assalamu alaikum. My name is Usman Chaudhary and you are watching Technology Explore. Today in this video I am going to make this type of ear canal in SolidWorks. So keep watching this video till end, and if you want to download this model for your practice, I will leave the download link in the description of this video. Let's start. Click on new button here and then double click on the part option. So we are going to make sketch from front plane. Click on front plane and then sketch. And now first of all we have to import the ear canal picture into SolidWorks sketch. So for that type in search box picture, and here is sketch picture option. Click on it and then import that picture, this picture in the SolidWorks sketch. So click on it and then select open. Here is the size of the picture and we have to log the aspect ratio. So type here total length of this picture should be 100 millimeter and then press OK button. Now next step is that we have to make a spline, one like this and one like this. So click on spline option here button and then start making spline from this point. Another spline and start making this new spline from here. Press escape button. Now click on this point and this point, make their vertical relation. Again click on this point and this point, make their vertical relation. Now draw a center line, one on this point like this and one center line on this point like this. Click center line and this spline, make their tangent relation. Also select spline and this line, make their tangent relation. Now if you want to add the dimensions, you can choose smart dimension and you can type the dimension whatever you want. So press this button to save and exit from sketch mode and then click on the sketch picture option here and suppress it. So we want to hide the picture now. Next step is that we have to create two new planes, one on this point and one on this point. So for that click on reference geometry and then select plane. Select this spline as a first reference and this point as a second reference. Press OK button. Again select plane, select this spline as a first reference and this point as a second reference. Press OK button. Now click on this plane and sketch on it. Draw a circle, select the origin and this center point, make their vertical relation. Now select this point and this circle, make their coincident relation. Similarly select circle and this point or origin, make their coincident relation. Now sketch is fully defined, so press this button to save and exit from sketch mode. Now we can hide this plane. Now sketch on plane 2, draw a circle like this, select origin and the center point, make their vertical relation. Select the circle and this point, make their coincident relation. Again select this point and the circle, make their coincident relation. So once again our sketch is fully defined. Save and exit from sketch mode. Now hide the plane 2. Now it's time to apply the lofted boss base command. So go to features tab and select lofted boss base command. Select this circle and this circle. Now click on guide curves box here and select this spline. Select open loop sketch option and then press OK button. Again select this spline and open loop sketch. Press OK button. So you can see here, press OK button again. So now we have to hollow this tube from inside. For that I am going to use shell command. Select this face and this face. Type here wall thickness 0.5 mm or millimeter and press OK button. So here we go. So now we can make the section view to check the geometry from inside. So here you can see. So this is how we can make these type of complex shapes in SolidWorks. I hope you have learned from this video, and if you have any suggestions, please do comment below. Thanks for watching and sparing time.